Yeah, so we're going to open up this puppy and we're going to see what it can do today. I've got it all out. Just put the chain on. Just got to fill it and do some other stuff and we'll see how it runs. It's a good little hedger. Considering it's one of the home brand cheaper models, as they say, but it's, you know, I think it's made from the same factory as Ryobi, so also to the effect it's still pretty good and works. It's done the edges. It's a good little curving machine. It's good. I like it. Continue using it. It's got a 2-year warranty, so if it mucks up, replaced. Done. Okay. Well, in my professional opinion, it's good. It's great for these curves because you can adjust the hedger head. Really easy to start. It's great because it's got the 2 straps to counteract the weight. That's the only downside. It's actually quite heavy, so if you're not used to lifting machinery every day, then it's probably not the one for you unless you're just doing a very quick job. Yeah. Otherwise, it's good. Does a neat little job.